Hello. So here's the home page of my thing. You can see that my pages is hidden. So yours has the little like not visible thing that shows it's disabled. So if you go down to settings and then the navigation tab right here, you should be able to drag pages up and then scroll all the way down, hit save, and then it should be here without a little symbol now. So if yours isn't doing that, we might have to zoom to see if I can figure out what's going on. But once you're on pages, then you should be able to be over here. Um, and I believe you add a page. Um, Here it is under view all pages. So mine was already on the front page, but so yours should have an add page here. But like I said, if you're not seeing that, let me know and we can zoom.